Minecraft, Builders and Biomes, Setup. Shuffle the 64 building and mob tiles and lay them out face down in a 4x4 grid with 4 tiles in each pile. Leave enough space between the tiles for the game pieces to move between. Shuffle the 16 colorless weapon tokens and place one face down at the end of each column and row. Set out the block base with the support structure on top. Randomly fill in the 64 blocks and gently shake it to settle in the cubes, then remove the support structure. Each player picks a color and takes a player board, matching experience counter, game piece base, and 5 colored weapon tokens. Place your experience counter on space 0 of the experience point track that runs around the edge of your board. Shuffle your 5 weapon tokens and put them in a face down pile. Pick a player skin and push it into your base and place your player token in the center crossing of the card grid. Set out the overview cards so players can see them. Check out this video for the rest of the gameplay rules.